Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use your Dasher Direct card or Dasher Direct virtual card at a gas station. It's pretty simple, but you'll need to follow a few quick steps. First, make sure you have added your Dasher Direct virtual card to a digital wallet like Apple Pay. Here's how you do it. Open the wallet app on your device. Tap the plus icon in the upper right corner of the home screen. Choose debit or credit card to proceed. Enter your Dasher Direct card details that include the card number, expiration date, and security code. Submit your info and click View Virtual Card to confirm that it's added successfully. Now that your card is set up in Apple Pay, you're ready to pay for gas, but here's a tip. Not all gas stations accept contactless payments, so it's a good idea to double check their website before you go. Once you're at the pump, here's what to do. Tap the pump's display to start. Follow on-screen payment instructions. Now double tap the side button on your iPhone to activate Apple Pay. If you're using an Apple Watch, do the same. Hold your phone to watch the next to contactless reader until you hear a beep or see check mark on the screen. If that does not work, head inside the store and repeat the same process and the payment terminal. And that is it. You have successfully used your Dasher Direct virtual card to pay for gas. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.